Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at doing iteration. Iteration is just where we repeat the same code. I'm going to do this by using while. Now, while uses what's known as a condition to actually decide if it's going to repeat the same code over and over and over again. Now, in order to make this work, I just need to do a variable up here to actually just give me a value to work with. And you can probably guess where I'm going with this already. So while that bottle's value has a greater value than 0, it's going to repeat. And it's going to repeat basically I think you know where I'm going with this, so I will not drive us all crazy by writing the whole code. And then I'm going to run it. And as you can see, straight away I'm stuck in an infinite loop. The reason I'm stuck in an infinite loop is because there's nothing in this code that can actually change the value of bottles. It's just going to be stuck like that. I'm just going to click shell and restart the shell, or Control and F6 if you need to. And then I'm going to show you how we actually control that bottles. So what I need to do is I need to reduce the value of bottles by 1 each time to get it down to 0. Run it again and you can see there 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All it is doing that little bit of moss there. It takes whatever value is currently in bottles, removes 1 for it, and overwrites bottles, so it goes 10, 9, 8, 7, you know. And we can prove that we've left the loop by just putting something out here. And then I'll just prove it to you. Boom. There we go, no green bottles. That is how simple a while loop is. You basically just have your stuff in here, you run it along. We can do another one. We can actually use text. So I'm going to type choice here, and I'm going to allow the user to input, except I'm going to be a bit of a pain here. I'm going to insist that they type exactly what I want. And I'm going to tell them they must type the word yes. And what I'm going to tell it here is if it's not equal to the word yes, I'm going to keep them constantly and endlessly typing in. And there we go. You'll see here now when I run this, it says type yes. And because I'm stubborn, I'll say no. And then because I'm lazy, I'll just do Y. And it's not happy with it. But when I type in yes, well done, you type yes, it is actually able to, you can make it to force people to only type exactly what you want in, and basically make it a bit like an options thing. And that is really how simple it is to get a loop going, a while loop that's controllable by either a number or controllable by text.